Hey guys, welcome to Hari Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use monday.com for social media management. At first, come on your table and then here you'll see add. Just click on that and then we'll select choose from templates. Now search here social media planner. You see this one? Just click on this and then click on use template. And it's going to say like a few minutes, but once it loads you can see that it is fixed at days. You can add more days, whatever you want, and then whatever here. Basically this is all up to you, the image design that you want to go through. This is basically just a template, and then there's other stuffs over here that if you want to put a social media plan, your strategy, goal, all of this is all done in this template. So you can just use this one and put your stuff over here, removing this, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.